The Dodge Charger driver fled at 120 kilometers per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic. Police pursued aggressively, coordinating closely to apprehend the suspect.
Stopping or what? What are you doing? Good pick, good pick, good pick. Oh boy, nope. Hey, I'm in Fairfax. I got a Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger taking off of me. Stop at 395, passing bleed. Initial traffic stops at 90 and 55, and the dark license plate cover. Or southbound, approaching King Street, speeds 120. What are you doing? You pulling over? What are you doing, buddy? Hold on, he's slowing down, he's slowing down. We're stopped, we're dead stopped. Disregard, he just took off again. We're southbound, approaching 286. Speeds accelerating, speeds 70. We just took 6 for Fairfax County Parkway. We're going, it's like Hella Road.
What road? Can you repeat that?
Hella Road. No, disregard. No, Fairfax County Parkway. Fairfax County Parkway. Northbound on the Parkway, 286.
Northbound on 286. Well, behind you, northbound 286. North I-5. Traffic is, no traffic out here. Speed 110. 283, northbound Fairfax County PD. And if you got word from the helicopter yet?
The car was blocked and the driver was arrested, revealing a stolen vehicle with a tampered VIN and license plate. He justified his actions by claiming he wanted to make it to his brother's birthday, but fleeing only made things worse. The stolen Cadillac sped away at 111 miles per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic. Police activated their lights and sirens in pursuit, but the driver had no intention of stopping.
Westbound. Over 52. Working ground, right and go.
The Cadillac spun out of control, skidding wildly. Police swarmed in, yanked the suspect out, and cuffed him on the spot. A search of the vehicle revealed methamphetamine. The suspect hung his head and admitted, "The meth is mine." A high-stakes chase came to a dramatic end. The chase erupted when the driver of the Nissan Altima realized they had been spotted and immediately sped off at terrifying speeds. They drove recklessly, weaving in and out of lanes in an attempt to escape the police.
Passing at 233, they going over towards the right lane. Over the right lane, 223.
Hazard reported ahead.
We're now passing the coming up at 238. Get off at the 237. Excuse me, continue on 237. They're on the right shoulder. Continue on 237. Just for the left shoulder, right past 237. Yeah, no, 237 going north left lane. They taking 285. They taking 285. Get off at the 285. Shoulder, still going towards 285, going west, 285. Yeah, go west, 285. Pit. Start 52.
The intense chase ended unexpectedly when the police executed a pit maneuver, forcing the car to stop. The driver was injured, the passenger was arrested, and the car with the fake license plate was towed away.
He's got a gun. He still got a gun. Hey, put the gun down! Officer needs help. Shots fired.
Seeing the police, the suspect immediately took off with a gun in hand, triggering a tense chase. Earlier, bystanders had tried to stop him but failed. The tension escalated with every second.
Heads up. Say he's running out. Heads up, partner. Yes, sir. All right. Heads up. Put it down. Put it down. Hey, what up, Gonzalo? Put it out. And 5'8", he's got a gun in his hand. Heads up, partner. Heads up. 5'8", he's southbound. Gonzalo 5'9".
Gonzalo 5'8", he has gun.
Yeah. Hey, we're southbound Gonzalo. He's got a gun in his hand. We're southbound Gonzalo from 5'9". Damn, heads up. He's running to the back of 5'9".
He's right to the back of 5.
He's got a gun.
He's got a gun in his hand.
Hey, put the gun down!
Cornered, the suspect opened fire on the police, sparking an intense shootout. Despite being surrounded, he recklessly tried to escape, forcing the officers to take decisive action.
Right to the back of 5.
He's got a gun. He still got a gun. Hey, put the gun down! Officer needs help. Shots fired. I got it. Heads up. Tell me if I want. Officer needs help. Shot fired. Damn it. You okay? Tell me if I want. Officer needs help. Shot fired. We're going to be fine. Gonzalo, suspects to the rear. We're in a blue shirt. He's armed with the handgun.
Trapped with no way out, the suspect was forced to surrender. Despite 3 officers being injured, they pushed forward, subdued him, and cuffed him on the spot.
Roger that. Copy. Where'd you toss it, Brian? On the roof.
The police received information about a high-speed vehicle and immediately signaled for it to stop. However, the driver refused to stop, accelerating and passing multiple exits, forcing the police to give chase.
They're picking up speed now. Going back eastbound on around. I'll go ahead and call it 1037. Speeds are at 100. Well, I'm on TBI as soon as we get out here.
Okay.
It's brake checking. Still at 100.
Plus 45, good brother. Got her on the side. Speed's at 120. Traffic's light, approaching 86. Put the center light on. Just in front of a tractor trailer. Speeds at 115, 85 marker. On the overpass, 87, brake checking. Speed at 95. TBI.
The police executed pit maneuvers, forcing the vehicle onto the shoulder. The driver fled on foot through a field but was caught shortly after. Drugs were found in the car, and the driver was detained on serious charges. Early in the morning, a car sped recklessly at 115 miles per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic. Police signaled for it to stop, but the driver accelerated, creating complete chaos. The car crashed into a road sign, bringing the chase to an end. The driver quickly jumped into the passenger seat, but witnesses confirmed he had been behind the wheel after drinking. With a history of violations, this time he won't get away so easily.